Types of keywords. Hello everyone and welcome to Alive Digital e-learning's YouTube channel. I am Rohit Deoo, your digital marketing trainer, and I wanted to thank you for all your love and appreciation for my previous videos. In the last video, we discussed about basics of SEO, types of SEO. I hope you have watched those videos. If not, I highly recommend checking out them first. My team and I have noticed in comment that many of you have requested a video specifically on types of keywords. So in today's video, we will be discussing the 40, yes, you heard is right, 40 different types of keywords. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe first. And if you are a regular visitor but haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the Alive Digital e-learning YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to stay updated. Let's start today's video. In on-page SEO, keywords plays crucial role in optimizing a web page to rank higher on search engine result page SERP. Here are the primary types of keywords used in SEO. But before that, what is keyword? A keyword is a specific word or phrase that users enter into search engines when looking for information, products, or services. In the context of SEO, keywords are terms that content creators, marketers, and website owner use to optimize their content to the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, that they can match it with the relevant users. Keywords plays very crucial role in helping search engines understand the topic of a website and in determining how page will rank in search results. Let's take an example. If someone is searching for co-working space, they might use keywords like best co-working space near me, affordable co-working offices in Pune. By using the right keywords, content creator can ensure their pages show up when users search for the relevant topics. Let's see the types of keyword. Primary keywords or main keywords. These are the main focus keywords that define the core topic of the page. They are usually a short tail or one or two words and high competition keywords that are crucial for the page rank. Let's take an example. Co-working space or digital marketing. These keywords known as primary keywords. Second, secondary keywords. These are closely related to the primary keywords and help to provide more context and depth. They are often mid-tail or long-tail keywords and high and slightly less competitive. Let's take an example. Affordable co-working spaces, SEO strategies for small businesses. Branded keywords. Keywords that includes the brand name. These are essential for companies with strong brand presence to ensure they rank for searches directly associated with their brand. Let's take an example. Alive Digital Co-working, HubSpot SEO tools, generic keywords, keywords that always makes confusion known as generic keywords. For an example, Apple. Apple is the best example of generic keyword because here you don't understand whether you're looking for apple as a fruit or apple as an iPhone. Confusion is so called as a generic keywords. Seasonal keywords. These keywords are relevant during specific time of the year such as holidays, festivals, or specific seasons. Optimizing for these keywords can drive traffic during high demand periods. For an example, Christmas sale SEO tips. Best co-working space in Diwali 24. Short tail keyword. These keywords, very broad keywords that consist of one or two words. They have high search volume but less competitive. Example, marketing, SEO, co-working. These are the example of short tail keyword. Long tail keywords. These are specific keywords, phrases, usually 3 plus words that target niche audiences. They tend to have lower search volumes but higher conversion rates because they focus on more intent driven searches. For an example, best co working spaces for the IT company in Pune, or how to create SEO friendly websites. These are the example of long tail keywords. Let's go to the next type of keyword, transactional keyword. These keywords intend that the user is ready to make a purchase or take action, often leading to conversion. They typically include words like buy, order, or book. For an example, buy co-working space membership or order SEO services. Next type of keyword, informative keywords. These keywords indicates that the user is searching for information. They often start with how to, what is, why, and are targeted in the blog post and information articles. Let's take an example. How to choose the best co-working space. What is on-page SEO? Next type of keyword is navigational keywords. These are used when users are looking for specific page or a website. They often includes brand names or website traffic terms. Example, a live digital co-working login, LinkedIn profile page. Now I'll just tell you the type of keyword, but the explanation will not possible. Let's understand type of the keywords like LSI keywords, also known as Latin semantic indexing keywords, geo-targeted keywords, product or service specific keywords, competitor keywords, customer defining keywords, evergreen keywords, exact match keywords, phase match keywords, broad match keywords, negative keywords, buyer persona keywords, transactional long tail keywords, intent targeting keywords, trending keywords, question based keywords, industry based keywords, synonyms keywords, misspelled keywords, head keywords, time sensitive keywords, customer pain point keywords, intent driven action keywords, contextual keywords, brand plus product combination keywords, question based long tail keywords, content gap keywords, low competition keywords, competitor missed keywords, social media keywords, video SEO keywords, and the last one, user generated keywords. By integrating these additional types of keywords into SEO strategy, you can further redefine your content and capture wider range of search intent, increase relevancy, and enhance your site visibility across various search engines. I'm sure you're eager to learn more about different types of keywords. For an in-depth understanding, I invite you to go for my paid courses, where I have explained every type of keyword in detail and provided multiple examples of it. In this course, I also demonstrated practical techniques on how to use keywords effectively to boost your digital marketing efforts. Don't forget to leave your comment below and let me know what topics you would like to learn about digital marketing. Your feedback helps me to create the content that fits to your needs. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel for more valuable content. Here, signing off, Rohit Dev, your digital marketing trainer. Thank you.